Hi y'all, Randy here with Randa's World, and today I have an unboxing off of Etsy, and it is from a shop that I ordered from before. It was called Creation Fever, but she has since changed the name to Flora Creek Crafts, and she is from here in West Virginia, and she sells like a lot of different products. Skincare products, jewelry, but she's mainly like going out of the jewelry, making and everything now. So I thought I would order some stuff, and she always gives me free samples. And Molly's coming again. I cannot go anywhere without her, or she thinks I can't. And she is in heat right now, so if you hear her, that's what's going on. We haven't got her fixed yet, but we will soon. I love her body butters, and this here, it's like a little 2-ounce jar, and look how pretty the color is. I think I ordered Magnolia and Piney. Oh, that smells so good. And it's very, very creamy. The scent lasts a while. And then she must have gave me some samples, but I did order her $10 like mystery box. And so it was, to have about like $10 worth of mystery items. Okay, this here is Rose Petal soap. So it's a package of little soaps that look like rose petals. I'm not going to open it right now, but I'm sure that they smell really good. Okay, and then here's another one. Okay, and this is Rose Petals Wax Melt. So she gave me the rose scented soaps, and now the rose scented wax melts. Okay. And then I ordered this here, and this is a rose quartz like necklace. Molly, stay down, please. Okay. Yeah, that's what that is there. Rose quartz and a necklace. Cute little bag. And I do try to keep all these little baggies. Let's see here. Okay, and then I do love her soaps. And this one here, I think was like a 1 ounce or a 2 ounce. This was one of her new soaps that I wanted to try. And it is Banana Berry. And look how cute she packages these. I can't really smell it right now, but I'll have to let you guys know when I do try it. Okay, and then she must have threw me in another one of these, and she has been making lip balms, and this one says oranges. Oh, that one smells good, and it's just like, it's white, no coloring to it, and a really pretty tin. And it's the orange flavor. And she gave me this baggie here with must be some goodies. Okay, this is samples of wax melts. This is spiced honey and tonka. Wax melts, this is Fireside, which I have had the Fireside scent from a few other vendors, and it smells really good, especially around Christmas time. she gave me this sticker. This is her new card, Flora Creek Crafts. She is on Etsy, and then says also follow her on Instagram and TikTok. Looks like some little handmade bracelets. Molly, please stop. So there's like a pink one there. And then this one, oh, must be another sticker. That one there. This is a lotus flower necklace. If I can get it to focus. And then this one, oh, that's neat. It's like a star necklace. Okay. And then I ordered some jewelry here. It was mainly earrings because she said that, you know, she's not going to be really selling any more jewelry. So I wanted to get this stuff while I could. Oh, these are so pretty. It's like the moon, and I think it's like rose quartz, and then it's got the lotus flower. So those are earrings. I'm really going to miss her not making the jewelry because I love her jewelry, especially her earrings and her necklaces. Okay, and then these are little earrings, and these are little tiny, it'll focus, little witches, but I can't really. It's not wanting to focus. Yeah. But they're little, and there we go. Little witch earrings. Okay, there, you can probably see a little bit better. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Okay, now this one here is the sun and moon together earrings. There we go. Alright. But I will still order from her for other things, even after she is done, you know, with her jewelry. Oh, okay, these are the sugar skull earrings. Very cute. Alright. This one opened. And these are like skull earrings. Molly. We're going to have the Molly show because she's always wanting to be around when I'm on camera. Oh, these are really cute. If I can get it here. Little owls. So those are owl earrings. And I think the last one. Oh, look how pretty. It's got all kinds of crystals, but then it also has the sun and moon like the other one. But this one has the crystals with it. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing off of Etsy from Flora Creek Crafts. I hope that you enjoyed, and go check her out. She has all kinds of stuff in her store. And she's a really great person, and she usually always throws in some free samples. Alright guys, I am planning on having a Try It Thursday tomorrow, so stick around for that. Alright guys, have a beautiful, wonderful, blessed night and evening and day. whatever time it is where you're at. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.